What's up, everybody? Tobin here, 5M Family Farm and Outdoors channel. Today I'm going to show you my take on Blackend Sandbass. This was my first time ever doing this. We got a Blackstone griddle a while back, and been wanting to try this, and we caught a whole mess of sand bass over the weekend. I'm gonna show y'all what we're gonna do. It's gonna be pretty simple. We'll give it a try and see how it works out. Y'all come with us. Guys, we're just gonna get our fillets out here. We're gonna be frying some today also, but that's not really what this video is about. So I just want to show y'all how I'm gonna blacken it. So we're gonna get them out here and get them good and seasoned up. A little garlic powder, little onion powder, and then just a little Lowry seasoned salt. Now they're ready to go on the Blackstone griddle. Except I'm new to the cooking fish on, blackening fish on a griddle, so probably go a little on the high side of getting it done. I don't want to have it undercooked, so we'll leave it on there for a little while and see. So let's put them on there. Those are looking good. Alright guys, we got it done here. Off the grill. That's what it looks like. Chris just tried a piece. What do you think, Chris?
It's delicious.
I know that.
Are you surprised?
The one that you
Try a piece, Max.
Do I think it? Am I surprised?
Is that fish?
Why am I gonna be surprised?
Wait, is that fish? Good.
I didn't take long. It like touched his lips and he said good.
I hate fish. I hate fish.
I went and got Mom, and she's gonna give us her honest opinion. And she's good at a lot of things, but she's really good at giving her honest opinion about stuff. So
this is true. Okay. It's actually not bad. It tastes really good.
look at that. Not only is she hot, but she knows good cooking when she sees it.
Saying that.
It's a little salty.
Preston, did you try it?
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm not a fan of fish not fried, but it's good. So good. I'm spitting it out everywhere. That's good. Meanwhile, I'm inside helping your cousin fry a 10-gallon fish tank that he brought.
Well, guys, there you have it. It's good. All right, here's Reed. Hey, Reed, try bite. Try bite.
It's so good, Reed. I caught that one. I know it tastes so good. I caught that one.
You like it? Mm-hmm. All right, guys, there you have it. Thank y'all for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see y'all again. Well, after shooting the Blackend Sandbass video, I realized I got busy cooking and having people over and did not shoot enough video. to really make a whole video. So I figured I would smash 2 videos together and kill 2 birds with 1 stone. So the last half of this video is going to be a shout out video. So we're going to give a few shout outs to some pages that have great content and that have been engaging with us through YouTube, and that we think really deserve to keep growing. So we're going to give them a shout out. All of every video that I mention, there will be a link in the description of this video. You just click on it, it takes you right to their channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. If you decide you don't like them, then you can just unsubscribe later. But I'm pretty sure you're gonna like them. So up first, she should have been in our first shout out video we ever did, but it was my fault, it didn't happen. So that is Simply Jan. Simply Jan is awesome. She is always commenting, all of her posts are very positive and encouraging. She's a great lady. We've never met her, but Shannon and I both just love her to death. She hasn't posted as many videos here lately. I don't know if I think they closed on the house and they're in the process of moving. So I'm sure once they get moved, we'll be seeing a lot more content from her. Next, Paige Family Homestead. They are a Canadian couple who are retired, and they're putting out a lot of good content, and their channel's growing really well. They seem like great people, and really involved in the homesteading YouTube community, so y'all go check them out. Yowell's Hoppin Hilltop Farm. They've been following us and subscribed to us for quite a while now. Great channel, great content. Y'all go check it out. Brushy Creek Bunch. This is a young man that does this channel. He's always he hasn't posted a video in a little while, but he is always very engaged. He's always commenting on our videos, on our live streams. So y'all go check him out. Last but not least, the Hobby Farm. Great channel as well, family channel. A lot going on there. Love watching their videos, and they are also very engaged with us on always commenting and being involved with what's going on. So y'all go check them out. Again, link in description. Just click on it and go subscribe. Thank y'all very much for watching. Ethan's got something to tell y'all.
So guys, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Once you hit that subscribe button, when it's gray, hit the bell so you don't miss out on any other videos. And then scroll down one more, and then hit the like button.
That's it. And leave a comment. Let us know what you think. Let us know that y'all went and told everybody, or went and subscribed to everybody. One benefit I was going to point out to y'all before going to these channels and subscribing is if you have a channel, go to their channel, subscribe, leave a comment on their latest video, and tell them we sent you, and they'll probably subscribe back. So you'll get a subscriber out of it and get a new friend. So y'all go check them out. We'll see y'all again soon.